with creation. You imagine what you desire. You will what you imagine, and at last you create what you imagine. So, with this beautiful thought, here I am Nashika Singh from class 9th B, Christian House, along with my friends, wishing a very auspicious morning to our most honorable Principal Sir, our respected teachers, and to all my dear brothers and sisters. As you know, our schools start with the prayers of the Creator of the world. I mean the God. So let's start today's morning assembly with the prayers of the Supreme Authority by joining our hands, closing our eyes and bowing our heads down.
Good morning to you all. Here this is Priyanshi Anand and I am going to present pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind!
How many of you have heard today's news? I know most of you haven't, but don't worry. We have today's news headlines. So with this, I would like to call our news reporters with today's news.
And today I am present before you with my national and international news. 610 local train services to run in Mumbai from today. Delhi again records over 5,000 new COVID patients. Indian immigrants set new record for permanent residence in Canada. Former James Bond actor Sean Connery passes away at the age of 90. Apple company loses $450 billion in only 3 to 4 months. UK caused 1 million cases of corona, and the biggest news is that of India, 1,22,449 people died.
Good afternoon, here I am Deepthi presenting sport and business news on the behalf of Krishna House. Sport news. Asman in wait for Big Six road win with victory at United. David Silva is coached to lead Sociedad to top of Spanish league. Darren Clarke wins first PGA Tour champion title. Ronaldo returned with double-edged sub in Juventus win. Now business news. UPI transaction crosses 2 billion in October, rose up to 80% in a year. GST collection crossed rupees 1 lakh crore in October for first time since February. Amazon accuses Future Group of misleading shareholder as legal battle turned bitter. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, myself Arpit, going to deliver a story, a tale of two birds. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in the forest. They had a nest in a tall, shaded tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. One day there was a big storm. There was a thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew many of trees. The tall trees in which the birds live also came down. A big, heavy branches hit the nest and killed the bird. Fortunately, from the baby bird, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near cave where the gangs of robbers lived. The other landed outside the Rishi ashram a little distance away. Days passed and the baby bird became big bird. One day the king of country came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest, followed by the king. Soon the king lost his way and did not know where he was. He rode on from a long time till he come to the other side of forest. Very tired by now, he got off his horse and sat down under the tree that stood near a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice cry out, "Quickly, hurry up! There was someone under the tree. Come and take his jewelers and his horse. Hurry or else he slip away." The king was amazed. He looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree under which he was sitting. He also heard faint noises issuing from the cave. He quickly got on his horse and rode away as fast as he could. Soon he came to a clearing which looked like an ashram. It was a Rishi ashram. The king tied his horse to the tree and sat down his seat. Suddenly he heard a gentle voice announced, "Welcome to the ashram, sir. Please go inside and rest. The Rishi will be back soon. There some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The king looked up and saw a big brown bird in the tree. He was amazed. This was looked like other bird outside the cave. He said to himself aloud, "You are right, sir," answered by the bird. "He is my brother, but he has made friend with robber. He not talks as they do. He don't talk to me anymore." Just then the Rishi entered the ashram. "Welcome, sir," he said to the king. "Please come inside and make yourself at home. You look tired. Rest for a while, then you can share my food." The king told the Rishi the story of two birds and how each had behaved so differently, thought they look as so alike. "The forest is full of surprise," he said. The holy man smiled and said, "After all, one he know by the company one keeps, that the bird always heard the talk of robbers. He imitates them and talk about robbing people. This one has repeated what he has always heard. He welcome people to the ashram. Now come inside and rest. I will tell you more about his place and this bird."
Exercise is one of the most important keys for excellent health. So with this, get ready to do some exercise.
lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant, 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 our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant, reigns along and minds beyond, our soul radiant, school of thoughts, tomorrow thought, blooming flowers radiant, dreams along and minds beyond, our soul radiant, school of thoughts, tomorrow thoughts, blooming flowers radiant, 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 our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Seeking and reaching the goal at birth, enlightening in the land, near and far, to the country and people we are sergeant. Love all is grace, divine harmony, our salient. Seeking and reaching the goal at birth, enlightening in the land, near and far, to the country and people we are sergeant. Love all is grace, divine harmony, our salient. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. The lives are made and dreams come true. The sun radiates beneath the sky, where thinking soars high and heart valiant. The glory does play round free, all brilliant. The lives are made and dreams come true. The sun radiates beneath the sky, where thinking soars high and heart valiant. The glory does play round free, all brilliant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, 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 our lovely radiant.
It is the time for us to utilize our 52 seconds for the world's best national anthem. So with this, stand straight for the national anthem.